was ready to take a break from burning candles. So I have a candle warmer, and I don't know, I'm just not liking the scents. So I got these all natural wax melts. And there's a 4-pack. So pumpkin spice latte. I'm in the fall mood. Amber and smoke. Raspberry and coffee. Can't go wrong with coffee. Vanilla cupcake. So I picked these up and I gave the pumpkin spice latte a shot. So all I did was opened it up and opened it up here. Opened it up and I used 2 of them. See, that's what they look like. I used 2 of them, and in about 7 minutes, the 2 melted down into, it almost reminded me of butter, and it smelled really, really good, really cozy and rich without being like super strong. So I smelled it, which was positive because I really wanted the scent in my room. So that was a positive. And I really do like that no open flame is necessary, so I can walk away and not worry about, a burning candle, so to speak. And also, this is plant-based wax, so I love that it's soy-based and paraffin-free, so it feels like a cleaner, safer option. These here are a solid swap for burning traditional candles. I am a candle addict. And this is a first for me, but I am definitely pleasantly surprised. And you know what? It's really making it easy to switch up the scents because then I don't have to burn a whole new candle. I can just put 2 here, pick 2 here, and I'll be good to go. But I'm going to keep using these and others. There's tons of other scents in my candle warmer year round. I do recommend these.